On March 31st, 2026, Anthropic accidentally published their entire source code to the internet. 512,000 lines of code publicly accessible for hours. Developers immediately started digging through it. And buried inside, they found something nobody expected: a Tamagotchi, a full virtual pet system built into Cloud Code, 18 speeches, a rarity system, RPG stats, and 1% shiny rate. A creature that sits in your terminal and reacts to your coding. As of April 1st, it is live. Most people have no idea it exists. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario. Here is everything you need to know. The feature is called /body. Open Cloud Code, type /body, press enter. What happens? Claude hatches a unique ASCII creature based on your user ID. Your account always gets the same species, but the name and personality are AI generated, unique to you. 18 species: duck, dragon, capybara, cat, and many more. 5 stats: debugging, patience, chaos, wisdom, snark, rarity system. Most are common, some are rare, 1 in 100 is shiny. What does it actually do? Your body sits beside your input box in Cloud Code. You react to what is happening in your session. Debugging something difficult, it reacts. Finish a task, it reacts. The reactions are free, do not count against your usage limit. Anthropic built in a free interference specifically for body reactions. Your pet comments on your work cost you nothing. The story behind it: the leak happened March 31st, the day before April Fools. The code had a string reading friend 2026 401, April 1st. Anthropic had planned this as their April Fool's feature. The accident gave developers a 24-hour preview. /body launched as planned on April 1st. It has been live ever since. How to get yours? Go to Cloud Code at claude.ai/download. Download Claude Pro. You need a $20 plan for it. Open Cloud Code, type /body and press enter. You get a name, a species, a personality. If you want a shiny, look for a slightly different ASCII appearance. Shiny bodies are 1 in 100. Screenshot it if you get one. Cloud Code is 2.5 billion in annual revenue. It writes 135,000 GitHub commits every single day. And it has a Tamagotchi pet built into it. Type /body. Tell me in the comments what species you got. I want to know if anyone watching this gets a shiny. Subscribe for more plain English AI every day. See you in the next one.